Sunidong, 5 na dong.
Plus 1 pag wala siya Paul, ilan sila dari? 12.
Sayo, kung saan mo kamagi?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12 sila, 12. 13.
Kimse.
Ha?
May tata. Apir ka ano?
Oo, alam.
Nangutan na ba?
Katorse. 5. Sila. Pila?
14.
14, 5. Pilay labaw. 7 na? 8?
Okay, plus 8 ang pink. Jump ball. Okay, out of bounds. Bola sa pink. Out of position, maroon. To shoot. Rosetta 14. Nakuha ng maroon. Intercept. Two points. Ipina Gracia. To shoot. There's a call. Basket count. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 04. Illegal contact to the hands plus 1 bonus throw. Jersey number 04 Otero. You have first personal foul and first for the team. Bonus throw given by jersey number 1 Pulko. No good. 9 minutes for the first quarter. 15 to shoot. Intercept. There's a call. Foul jersey number. Basket count. Foul jersey number 23. Pushing foul plus 1 bonus throw. Jersey number 23. You have first personal foul and second for the team. Bonus throw. Okay, 1 point. $15 to shoot. Intercept. 2 points for lot. $15 to shoot. 2 points, Paalam the third. Score update, 12 against 7 in favor of Pink. 8 minutes for the first quarter. 15 to shoot. Intercept. Two points, Otero. $15 to shoot. Intercept. Intercept. For 3. No good.
Pusol. Tagilo.
15 to shoot.
Pusol lang, pusol.
10 to shoot. Intercept. 2 points for lot. Score update. 14 against 9 in favor of Pink. Time remaining 6 minutes and 47 seconds for the first quarter. 15 to shoot. Okay, illegal pick. Committed by jersey number 04. Illegal pick.
0-4. Isa man nakita ni mo niya.
Intercept. No good. Okay, player out of bounds. Bola ng Pink. 16 seconds to shoot. $15 to shoot. No good. Intercept. 2 points Burlat. Score update. 14 against 11 in favor of Pink. $15 to shoot. 6 minutes for the first quarter. 2 points. Jersey number 15. Nice block. Two points. Back to back.
Out of bounds.
Out of
Bounds.
Hello. Hello.
Wala yung nag-video lagi. Wala. Wala. Video na. Video na. Ay, video na.
No good. 15 to shoot. Steal. Back to back by Burlat. Score update 18 against 13 in favor of Pink. Time remaining 5 minutes and 11 seconds for the first quarter. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Out of bounds. Pink basketball. No good. Rebound sa Maroon. Good. Okay, player out of bounds. 18 seconds to shoot. $15 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Okay, there's a call. Basket count, foul, jersey number 04, illegal contact to the hands plus 1 bonus throw. Jersey number 04, you have second personal foul and warning per penalty, Pink team. Bonus throw. No good. Intercept. No good. 2 points Burlat. Score update 20 against 17 in favor of Pink team.
Pag mag-shot. Atin mo lang.
10 to shoot. Rosetta 14. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Intercept. Good. Pulgo, 2 points. Isa na lang labaw sa pink team. Score update 20 against 19 in favor of pink. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 21, illegal cylinder. Timeout, maroon team. Okay, jersey number 21, Borlat, you have first personal foul and first for the team. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 4 seconds for the first quarter. Score update, 20 against 19, 1 point lead, pink. Okay, next game, prepare. Yellow team versus orange team. Back to the ball game. Pink basketball. 16 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. 15 to shoot. Long two. Long two by jersey number 23. Out of bounds. Pink basketball. Okay, 14 seconds to shoot. Long two. No good. For two. Goes to the 14. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 23, holding foul. Penalty situation, pink team. Jersey number 23, you have second personal foul and penalty situation, pink team. Jersey number 12, shooting for two. Flores. First throw, 1 point. Okay, kompleto. Score update, 22 against 21, 1 point lead. Pink. $14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. To set the 14. There's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 12, pushing foul. Jersey number 12, Flores, you have first personal foul and second for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, pink team basketball, 12 seconds to shoot. To shoot. 2 points, Otero. Two points. Okay. Pulgo. 2 minutes for the first quarter. 15 to shoot. 2 points. No good. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rosetta 14. 2 points. Hosol. Score update 26 against 25. 1 point lead, pink team. ...15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points, paalam the third. Two points, Flores. 1 minute for the first quarter. $15 to shoot. 45 seconds. 3 seconds violation. Time remaining 44 seconds for the first quarter. $40. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. There's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 16. Legal contact to the hands plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 16. Okay, first throw 1 point. Okay, first deadlock. No good. Reset the 14. 10 to shoot. 2 points, Borlat. Okay, naglabaw na duha ang Maroon. 12 seconds remaining. Five seconds. Shot clock denied. 2 points. Time for the first quarter. Score 30 all. Next game, prepare. Yellow team versus orange team. Time for the second quarter. Arrow position, Maroon team basketball. Okay, merong dating. Bagong dating si Mr. Angel from Maroon. No good.
Pasa.
Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 7, pushing foul. Jersey number 7, first personal foul and first for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number. Jersey number 1, pushing foul. Jersey number 1, Pulgo, you have first personal foul and second for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. Long 2. Sabi nating referee na si Balmoria. Out of bounds. Pink team basketball. Score update 32 against 30, 2-point lead pink team.
Pasok!
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 24 seconds violation. Time remaining 8 minutes and 42 seconds for the second quarter. 2 points, Angel. Okay. Mayang gabi sa pag-abot sa mga players. 15 to shoot. 2 points, Taan Langit. From the land of Barangay Norte. Home court advantage. Bang to Ray. Angel. 8 minutes for the second quarter. No good. Rebound Maroon team. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Pink team rebound. No good. 15 to shoot. No good. Intercept. 2 points, Hosol. Score update. 34 against 37 in favor of Maroon.
O, lagi.
14 to shoot. 7 minutes for the second quarter. 10 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Rebound sa Maroon. 2 points, Borlat. Okay, galabaw na ang Maroon team. Pero gipanghangak na. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Intercept. Two points, Borlat. Score update. 34 against 41 in favor of Maroon. 15 to shoot. 6 minutes for the second quarter. Okay, there's a call. Jersey number 5, pushing foul. Timeout, charge to pink team. Jersey number 5, you have first personal foul and third for the team from Maroon team. Next game, prepare. Yellow team versus orange team. Both teams, you have 1 timeout left for the first half.
Anong gusto lang? Coke? Biscuit na lang, Goro?
14 seconds to shoot. Pink team basketball. Intercept. Okay, out of bounds. Maroon team basketball. 20 seconds to shoot. No good. First at the 14.
Box mo ba? Box!
Linya sir, linya. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 7, illegal use of hand. Jersey number 7, you have second personal foul and warning for penalty, Maroon team. Intercept. For 3. Bang to Ray by Borlat. 2 points, Undo.
Oh, dipinsa!
Score update 36 against 44 in favor of Maroon team. 5 minutes for the second quarter, 14 to shoot. Intercept. 2 points. 4 minutes and 44 seconds for the second quarter. Score update 38 against 44 in favor of Maroon. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Intercept. Okay, there's a call. Basket count, foul jersey number 5, illegal use of hand, plus 1 bonus throw. Timeout, charge to Maroon team. Jersey number 5, you have second personal foul and penalty situation, Maroon team. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 21 seconds for the second quarter. Score update, 40 against 44, 4-point lead, Maroon team. Next game, prepare. Yellow team versus orange team. Okay, back to the ball game. Bonus throw. Given by jersey number 2, Dagaraga.
Ganito yun eh. Di na tayo mag-live ano eh.
1 point. $15 to shoot. 2 points, Piansay. 4 minutes for the second quarter. For 3. No good. For 3. 15 to shoot. Is at the 14. No good. Maroon rebound. No good. 3 minutes and 20 seconds for the second quarter. No good. It's at the 14. It's at the 14. 2 points, Undo. 3 minutes for the second quarter. Score update, 43 against 46 in favor of Maroon. 15 to shoot. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 9. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 9, Sena, you have first personal foul and first for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, kickball violation. 14 seconds to shoot.
Hoy, tao! Tao ba? Isa! Ayaw bulat, talawa! Tao!
Ay, Glenn! Taas, tumawin ako!
10 to shoot. Nice block. 5 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Intercept.
Tagal rin! Tagal rin!
2 points undo. Okay, isa na lang labaw sa Maroon team.
Balik kayo!
2 minutes and 10 seconds for the second quarter. 14 to shoot. For 3. Intercept. Okay, 2 points Sena. Okay, naglabaw na po ang pink team.
Tao! Ayaw bulat, talawa! Tao!
15 to shoot. 2 points Sosol. Score update. 47 against 48. 1 point lead. Maroon. $15 to shoot. 2 points. Tahan langit. $15 to shoot.
Kaya ni mo na do! Kaya ni mo do! Taas lang!
Nice block. No good. Okay, traveling violation. Time remaining 59 seconds for the second quarter. Score update 49 against 48 in favor of pink. No good. 55 seconds.
Hoy, 55 seconds!
50 seconds.
Hala!
15 to shoot. 2 points. Dagaraga. Hooray! Shut down by Angel. 30 seconds. $25 seconds. 15 to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rosetta 14. 10 seconds. Shot clock deny. No good. 5 seconds. 2 points. Time for the second quarter. Score 51 against 53. 2 point lead Maroon team. Next game prepare. Yellow team versus orange team.
Problema ba naman? Ako dagan ron black assist ang dagan ron. Dagan ang black steel. Laban white steel kining assist.
Back to the ball game for the third quarter. Change court, alternating arrow. Pink team basketball. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Rosetta 14. Out of bounds. Maroon team basketball.
Bert, tao ba? Asa ni mo?
$15 to shoot. 2 points. $15 to shoot. Intercept. Okay, there's a call. Not counted. Foul, jersey number 04, illegal use of hand. Jersey number 04, you have second personal foul and first for the team. 16 seconds to shoot. Intercept. Two points. Labay. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul daan. Foul jersey number 04. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 04. You have third personal foul and second for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. Ten to shoot. Rebound, Pink. No good. Intercept. No good. Out of bounds. Jump ball, out of position, Maroon team basketball. Score update. 53 against 55 in favor of Maroon team. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 3 seconds for the third quarter. No good. Ball out of bounds. Pink team basketball. Player out of bounds. Maroon team basketball. $15 to shoot. Intercept. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 5. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 5, you have third personal foul and first for the team. Substitution. Substitution. Tanglangit in. Otero out.
Back!
15 to shoot. 2 points. Foul ang third.
Yung, saka hindi kamay yung, nilitigas yung.
No good. Two points
Murag yapon,
by jersey number 7.
Oh!
Steal. 2 points. $15 to shoot. No good. Intercept. Two points, Flores. Score update. 59 against 57 in favor of Pink Team. Sir Rondo, ay tabo ng TV, sir. Di makitaan. Ang score. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 15. Illegal use of hand, substitution. Jersey number 15, second personal foul and third for the team. P.
Si Rondo, alam ko rin. Ay, tapat-tapat sa mga asawa. Kiri na ka kay...
Hooray! By Angel. $15 to shoot. No good. For 3. Back to back. Hooray!
Balos,
15 to shoot.
Balos, Toy!
Favorite spot, 2 points. Score update, 61 against 63 in favor of Maroon. No good. Two points. Karoon lang pag naipito. 2 points. Okay, score update, 63 all. $15 to shoot. 2 points, Flores. Four minutes and 30 seconds for the third quarter. 15 to shoot. 2 points, tahan langit.
Likod!
15 to shoot. 2 points, Angel. 2 points, pahalang to third.
Wala!
Okay, na-release ng bola. Oh. For 3. Timeout, Maroon team. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 41 seconds for the third quarter. Score update, 67 all. Next game, prepare. Yellow team versus orange team.
Pasok laban lagi. Tanawa.
Team Maroon, you have 2 timeouts left for the second half. Back to the ball game, pink team basketball.
Na. Kani siya, black. Kani gray.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. So set the 14. 2 points. Borlat. Okay, there's a call. Not counted. Foul jersey number 11. Illegal use of hand. Pink team basketball. Jersey number 11, you have first personal foul and second for the team. 16 seconds to shoot. Two points, Undo.
Tao ba? Isa-isa yung tao. Toro, tura!
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Who's at the 14?
Puyong niya, bay. Puyong.
2 points pa alam the third. Score update. 71 against 69 in favor of pink team. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Intercept. No good. Intercept.
Sure, sure ba?
15 to shoot. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 7. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 7 from pink. You have first personal foul and warning for penalty pink team. Okay, substitution. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 9. Illegal use of hand. Penalty situation. Penalty. Jersey number 9, Sena, you have second personal foul and penalty situation. Pink team. First throw, 1 point. Time remaining, 1 minute and 39 seconds for the third quarter. Kompleto. Okay, score update, 71 all.
Yan, sure, pasa din, sure. Tanaw. Okay, dagan!
15 to shoot. No good. Reset to 14. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 12 holding foul. Penalty situation. Jersey number 12, you have first personal foul and penalty situation. Pink team. Third quarter na tayo. Third quarter. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Karoon lang ka. No good. Steal. No good.
Tanawa!
2 points. Two points, full goal. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 11, holding foul. Jersey number 11, second personal foul. And
Sub.
okay, substitution.
Toto.
14 seconds to shoot.
Kabaan!
40 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Tira na!
Okay, 2 points. 23 seconds, shot clock deny. Intercept. 15 seconds. Out of bounds. Okay, out of bounds. Maroon team basketball. 12 seconds. Shot clock deny. 10 seconds. 2 way. 5 seconds. Shot clock deny.
Isa na kuya!
Time for the third quarter. Score update. 75 against 76. 1 point lead, Maroon team. Next game, prepare. Yellow team versus orange team.
Balat. Yo. Masuk kayo.
Ayo, dili na ito sa ganito tao, pero makakuha ang rebound.
Time for the last and final quarter. Out of position, Maroon team basketball.
Isa-isa!
15 to shoot. Set to 14.
O, balik na!
2 points.
Balik na! Balik ba? O, alas! Sa isa! Sa isa! Wala!
No good. Intercept. No good. Set to 14. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 12. Holding foul. Maroon team basketball. Jersey number 12, Labay. You have second personal foul and first for the team. Pink. $15 to shoot. There's a call. Foul jersey number 22. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 22, Gafate. You have first personal foul and second for the team. 14 seconds to shoot. Set to 14. Intercept. No good. Rebound, Maroon. Good. Set to 14. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 11. Illegal use of hand. Jersey number 11, Hosol. You have third personal foul and first for the team. 24 seconds to shoot. Time remaining. 8 minutes and 43 seconds for the last and final quarter.
Sino pasa? Ito ka lang.
Out of bounds.
Pasa, zero pasa.
Pink team basketball, 15 seconds to shoot.
Zero.
No good. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 11. Pushing foul plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 11, Hosol. You have fourth personal foul. Warning for fouled out and second for the team. Shooting for 2. Labay. First throw, 1 point. 10 to shoot.
Oh, cut sa tuwa.
5 to shoot. To set the 14.
Tuwa.
10 to shoot.
Sige.
Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 12, blocking foul. Plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 12, Flores, you have second personal foul and third for the team. First throw, 1 point.
Third for the team, ano?
Okay, 1 point.
Isa tawa. Ang tao ninyo, isa. Ayaw.
2 points, full goal. Seven minutes and 50 seconds for the last and final quarter. 14 to shoot. To set the 14. Nice pass. 2 points. Burlat. Timeout, pink team. Okay, pink team, you have 2 timeouts left. Maroon team, 2 timeouts left. Score update, 80 all. Time remaining 7 minutes and 30 seconds for the last and final quarter. Next game, prepare. Yellow team versus orange team.
Labay toto.
Back to the ball game, pink team basketball.
Pasa na yun. Ayaw ilog. Pasa.
15 to shoot.
Pasa.
10 to shoot. 3 points. Foul on the third. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 04, illegal contact to the hands plus 2 free throw. Jersey number 04, you have 4th personal foul, warning for foul out, and 3rd for the team. Substitution. Tanlangit in. Otero out. First throw, 1 point. Completo. Score update, 83 against 82, 1 point lead, pink team.
Balos na.
Okay, illegal pick committed by jersey number 12, illegal pick. Jersey number 12, Laba, you have 3rd personal foul and warning for penalty, pink team. Hooray! Angel, way from downtown.
Tawag yun.
15 to shoot. Reset the 14. Rebound sa Maroon. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Jersey number 22, illegal use of hand, penalty situation. Jersey number 22, Gafate, you have second personal foul and penalty situation, pink team. Flores shooting for 2.
Ayaw! Ayaw!
First throw, 1 point. Time remaining 6 minutes and 13 seconds for the last and final quarter.
Ngolo! Dili! Dili! Dili!
No good.
Tanaw!
No good. No good. Out of bounds, Maroon team basketball. 18 seconds to shoot. Timeout, pink team. Okay, pink team, 1 timeout left. Coach Dagaraga, 1 timeout left na lang mo. Pink team. Maroon team, you have 2 timeouts left.
Dua isa.
Isa dere, duha dere.
Energy ang
Penalty ang pink, 3 team fouls Maroon. Score update. 83 against 86, 3-point lead Maroon team. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds for the last and final quarter. Back to the ball game. Maroon team basketball, 18 seconds to shoot.
Isa-isa yung tao ba? Para, ay, magkandog sa kon. Yung tao. Oo, taas.
No good. 10 to shoot. Was at the 14. Two points. Pipina Gracia.
Murag yapon isa. Tao.
Oh, sorry.
Kwa!
15 to shoot. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Okay, wait muna. I-clarify natin. Wait sa mga players. Wait muna. I-clarify natin. Okay, ang sabi nating referee, Maroon team basketball. 12 seconds to shoot. To shoot. Intercept. Okay, there's a call. Basket count, foul, jersey number 1, illegal contact to the hands, plus 1 bonus throw. Jersey number 1, Pulgo, you have second personal foul and warning for penalty, Maroon.
Uy, murag yapon na. Tao.
Bonus throw.
Box!
No good. 5 minutes for the last and final quarter. Nice block. Two points.
Easy!
15 to shoot. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Is that the 14?
Tulog!
No good.
Balik!
2 points. Score update, 89 against 88 in favor of pink team.
Relax, relax, relax.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul, jersey number 21. Blocking foul, penalty situation. Jersey number 21, you have second personal foul and both teams penalty situation. Okay, time remaining 3 minutes and 34 seconds for the last and final quarter. Timeout charge to Maroon team. Okay, both teams, 1 timeout left. Again, both teams, 1 timeout left. Score update, 90 against 88, 2-point lead pink team.
Asa si Uso magtambay. Daw dito to. Dili mo duwa mo ko. Duwa mo ko pagtutor ani ni sirkulo. Duwa mo kuliro kat. Pag ipapasan padayon. Go sunod din kater po sa second. Tawag duble dili para duble. Sunod ang kater do. Pagkat mo sunod. Dito ra kat ayon. Go swing. So di kami kater sunod. Parang duble. Mahigit siya.
Back to the ball game. Maroon team basketball.
Himala ba yung guwapo kay Micro? Guwapo kay Micro, himala.
Gwapo lagi kay Mike lagi bay.
Himala gani. Guwapo.
Tibok ni kayo.
Himala.
Lat ba?
To shoot. For 3. Out of bounds. Pink team basketball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds for the last and final quarter.
Wala lagi si Ronyo. Wala na yung ring.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 21, pushing foul. Penalty situation. Jersey number 21, Burlat, you have third personal foul and penalty situation.
Mula ni. Sabi ko siya.
Okay, 1 point.
Coach, tabok. Nangihi ka? Nangihi daw siya.
Lisod po di ko mangihi.
Libot lang daw siya daw, ano?
Libot daw.
Okay, ball out of bounds. Maroon team basketball. Time remaining 3 minutes for the last and final quarter. Intercept. Okay, 2 points. Okay, nagtinumbahan na.
Itas ang ito!
15 to shoot.
Turatoy!
For 3. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 points. Divina Gracia. 2 points. Flores. Score update, 96 against 90 in favor of pink team. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Rosetta 14. 2 points. Okay, last 1 minute and 27 seconds. Intercept.
Kill! Kill dito, kill ba? Dito,
15 to shoot.
Awa na kay Hagin!
10 to shoot. Rosetta 14.
Oh, gawas! Gawas!
10 to shoot. Rosetta 14. Last 1 minute. Out of bounds mula sa Maroon. Time remaining, last 57 seconds. $55 seconds. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number. Foul jersey number 12. Illegal use of hand. 3 free throw. Jersey number 12, Talangit, you have first personal foul and penalty situation. 3 free throw. Okay, 1 point. Second throw. One point. Okay, ready for rebound. Last 50 seconds. For the last and final quarter. Score update 98 against 92 in favor of pink team. Okay, kompleto. Last 50 seconds. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 35 seconds. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Last 28 seconds. 25 seconds. For 3. 2 Okay, upat na lang. Last 16 seconds. Okay, there's a call. Foul jersey number 7. Legal use of hand. Penalty situation. Jersey number 7, Angel, you have third personal foul and penalty situation. Time remaining, last 15 seconds. One point. Score update, 101 against 96 in favor of pink team.
Yan, yan na naka-score!
14 seconds, shot clock deny. 10 seconds for 3. No good, 5 seconds. Final score, 101 against 96 in favor of pink team. Winner, pink team. Okay, next game, warm up. Yellow team versus orange team. Okay, our player of the game, jersey number 15, Divina Gracia. You have 21 points, 1 rebound, and 3 assists.